I'm Norman Bolton, Highland Council's Music Development Officer, with a responsibility for Youth Music Initiative funding in Highland. And we're having a celebration today because we're now entering the 13th year of funding in Highland, which comes from Creative Scotland and Scottish Government. And we decided that it was time to get lots of schools together to share activities, and we've got a couple of schools that are actually doing performances for us, and then we have some guests at lunchtime from Nairn Academy. Their steel band are going to entertain, and in the afternoon we've got a session for all the participants, all 300 of them, and we're going to have a great big sing and do some work in Gaelic and English before they all disappear home.
My name's Arthur Cormack and I work for an organisation called Fèisean. Well, the Highland Council asked Fèisean a number of years ago to provide traditional music tuition in all the Highland Council primary schools as part of the YMI, and we've been doing that now for I think 11 years or so. So the schools get between 12 and 16 weeks of traditional music every year, and it consists of song, tin whistle, some group work, and there's been other things introduced over the years, like singing along with ukulele, accompaniment and things like that. And they work with Scots song, they work with Gaelic song, so they're getting a good taste of everything. And in the group work classes as well, they can, if the children have already learned instruments or they're used to playing in ensembles, then they can work in traditional music in those groups as well.
My name's Scott Hardy, I'm Principal Teacher at Smithton Primary School in Inverness. Well, Smithton Primary School, we've been involved with Fèis Rois for some time in the past. For a number of years now we've had tutors coming to the school and providing a variety of different musical experiences from our children. Tin whistle, group music making, traditional song and things like that. And so we've been very keen to be involved with the Youth Music Initiative, and an opportunity like this to come together with other schools from the local area to embrace this teaching of traditional music. It was a great opportunity for us, and we very much jumped at the chance to get involved.
Hi, my name's Martin O'Parka. I'm a music instructor for the Highland Council. I go around P6s and 7s in the area of the Highland Council. Some of the areas done by another chap over in the Black Isle, and it's my job to deliver guitar and drums to P6s and 7s, and they get this for 4 weeks. We use MIDI equipment to let them do this, which really lets them learn independently, and it gives them a really basic knowledge and understanding of what playing the guitar and drums is all about. Today we are celebrating what we've been doing for the last 9 to 10 years, which is funded by YMI and the Highland Council. So there are various different people gathered together to give kids different opportunities, from doing group work, song work, doing the guitar or drums with myself. And there have been other things on show like steel bands and things like that. So it gives the kids and lets them have the opportunity to see the sort of wide range of things that are happening in the Highland Council schools.
My name's John Thompson. I'm one of the Gàidheal tutors as part of Highland Council's YMI programme, and we go around doing musicianship through singing in schools. I work with primary 3s mostly, and we play games with the kids, and through these games they're learning various techniques that can be ascribed to music. It's all done subconsciously, so we teach them the various games that can be then used to extrapolate all of the musical techniques that they need with pitch, beat, rhythm. So they've learned it before we tell them what it is that they've learned. And because we're playing it through games and songs that some of them might know, usually folk songs as well, they enjoy it so much more. And so when it comes to any sort of theory, they're already engaged and they're willing to take it on board because they've already done the hard work in playing the game.
I think it's fun that we get sessions with Fèis Rois and they come and teach us Gaelic songs and music.
I really enjoy Gaelic, and they're really interesting. I liked about today that The person that we had first was really funny, and he taught us lots of good songs that I've never heard.
I liked the drumming because it helps me with my beat, because I need to know my beat quite well because I play an instrument.